1 minute.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
All right, so stay with us again after liftoff. We'll also have the voice chiming in from Rob Kesselman from ULA. He'll be providing the launch vehicle ascent data.
$40.
Stable at step 3.
So that's a great sign right there. Stable at step 3. Everything is at flight pressures. Or now the only thing left, Joshua, is that final status check with the whole team.
25 seconds.
Status check.
Go Atlas.
Go Centaur.
Go Lucy.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. Atlas V takes flight, sending Lucy to uncover the fossils of our solar system.
Tower clear.
RD-180 propellant utilization has gone to closed loop control. The vehicle has begun the pitch yaw roll maneuver. Now 30 seconds into flight, vehicle is 0.6 miles in altitude, traveling at 939 miles per hour. RD-180 performance continues to look good at this time. Engine pump speeds and injector pressures are in family for this thrust level. Atlas vehicle attitude remains stable at this time. Attitude rates are near zero in all axes. Now at T plus 70 seconds into flight, vehicle is 4 miles in altitude, 0.2 miles downrange distance, traveling at 1,200 miles per hour. Mach 1, Atlas is now supersonic. Vehicle is now passing through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. The vehicle is now throttling down slightly. RD-180 engine parameters continue to look nominal after the prior adjustment to the thrust level. Approximately 2 minutes remain in the Atlas booster phase of flight. The Atlas V rocket weighs now just 1/2 of what it did at launch, burning propellant at a rate of 2,600 pounds per second. Vehicle is now executing closed-loop steering. Centaur reaction control system is now pressurizing the flight levels.
So beautiful launch sequence there. We do have another minute and a half or so to go with the booster in operation, getting Lucy.
We're now just under 3 minutes into flight. Atlas is 33 miles in altitude, 59 miles downrange distance, traveling at 5,600